Hi, my name is Jenny, and I'm part of the customer success team here at FastField, and I'm going to show you how to configure a subform. A subform is a smaller form that is nested within the main form. This allows you to dynamically collect related data in a more organized and efficient way. Instead of reusing the same form and submitting over and over, you can add sections of data to the main form as many times as you need. Your form will expand and contract to accommodate the amount of data you are collecting. For example, let's say you have a larger form for conducting a home inspection, and within that form, you want to collect information about the different rooms in the house. Instead of adding multiple fields for each room within the main form, you can create a subform for each room that contains all the necessary fields, such as room type, dimensions, and any issues found. Once a subform is created, it can be applied to other main forms throughout your account that require this section. Any changes you make to the subform would be updated globally. To create a subform, head over to the Subforms page under My Forms. Then click New Subform to build and publish your subform. After publishing, open up your main form in the Form Builder and click on Subform to add that field into your main form. Next, select your desired subform to be inserted into your main form. To enable users to repeat this section for multiple data entries, click on Allow Multiple Subform Instances. You now have an organized and dynamic form for your users. Enhance your forms with subforms for more efficient data collection and reporting.